So, am I hitting or pitching
You're hitting.
first? I'm hitting?
Girl is swinging that bat.
Oh!
Damn!
And he's
Is that a home run?
going!
It's gone. Go, girl. Yeah. She already got a home run. I'm pitching to her.
No! At least she's hitting it.
Yeah, she is.
Piece of it. That's because she's getting down into it. You see that? She's getting really down there.
She is.
There it is.
Oh, that's gonna be caught. Blooper.
Yeah.
Shortstop. Yeah.
Oh!
Nice hit.